So, have you ever been so stressed out that you can't even think straight? I'm Sandy Evenson at sandyevenson.com. You know, when I work with my clients, we actually use tapping to turn off the stress response in the body and actually turn on the relaxation response. And we all walk around with some level of stress in our daily life. So to get started, I want you to look at a scale of 1 to 10 to see where you are. If 10 is totally stressed out to the max, over the top, to the point of almost panic, and then 0 is calm as a cucumber. And if you're not feeling any anxiety at the moment, I want you to think of a situation. Picture a situation or a person that just triggers you, that kind of makes you go there, and see how you feel. And notice that just thinking about it brings that level up. So get your number. And then while you're doing that, I want you to check in with your body. Where do you register your stress in your body? Do you get shortness of breath and rapid heartbeat, queasy stomach, a headache in front of the eyes or at the back of the head, stiff neck and shoulders, or achy lower back, or just simply aching muscles everywhere? Where does your body hold that anxiety and stress? Yeah, so we're just going to jump in and start tapping through the points. When we're stressed, we just dive right in. And you can follow after me and repeat the words. Throw any words that come up for you right in there. It's just a technique that you're using that you can use anytime. So just follow along. I'll use general stuff. Here I am. I'm so stressed out. Full of anxiety. Oh, my stomach is squeezing. I'm so upset. I can't believe this happened. How am I going to deal with this? I'm so stressed. I don't know if I'll ever be able to figure this out. How am I going to deal with this? My heart is pounding. I can't stop thinking about it. How am I ever going to deal? I can't believe they said that to me. What on earth am I going to do? How am I going to get out of this? I'm just going to honor how I feel. I'm going to breathe in some calm, even though I'm still pretty stressed. I'm just going to breathe in some calm. I'm just going to honor how stressed I am. Breathing in some calm. Calming down now. Breathing it in. I'm open to calming down. I'm open to letting go of all this stress. Calming down. 1 or 2 points. Coming down into calm. And take a nice deep breath. And that's sort of one round of tapping. Now notice now on that scale of 1 to 10, where are you now? Has it come down? Oh, 1 or 2 points is amazing. Even more, that's great. But if it hasn't, if you're still up there, or maybe you even triggered another emotion, keep going. Keep tapping, keep voicing whatever comes up for you, whatever thoughts you have, and keep going until you sort of feel a shift. And then I just want you to honor how you feel. Give yourself compassion and bring yourself down into calm. And breathe. Breathe and tap. Now this is a technique that you can use anywhere at any time. You can tap quickly in the moment to buffer down during the day so that it's not so much at the end of the day, but you can definitely do it at the end of the day, particularly before bedtime, to release the stress that's inside of you so that you can have a more calm sleep. And then really, even in your car, I've definitely done that. I've tapped along the steering wheel with my hand, and then at red lights on my face, not caring about what anybody else thinks, just buffering down the stress. I want you to try it because this works. It brings the emotional stress level down, and you can even get a good night's sleep.